Welcome back to Module 8, Microsoft Word 2019, creating documents with Word 2019. We're in part 4 of 4, and we left off at the research information. So let's pick it up from there. All right, so word count dialog box. Click the word count click the word count button in the proofing group to view the number of pages, words, characters, paragraphs, and lines in the selected text of your entire document. There are some teachers out there that'll say, okay, give me 300 words on this. Or maybe they'll say, I want 5 paragraphs. And the paragraph, as you know, consists of approximately 3 to 5 sentences. So it's just a different way of saying it. Adding white space to a document can make it easier to read. Increase space between the lines using the line paragraph spacing list arrow. Increase space between the paragraphs using the before and after text box in the paragraph group on the page layout tab. Indenting. A paragraph moves the edge of the paragraph in from the left or right margin. Indent the entire left or right edge of a paragraph. You can indent just the first line. You can indent all lines except the first line. You can indent the left edge of the paragraph to the left of the left margin. Indent markers on the horizontal ruler indicate the indent settings for the paragraph in which the insertion point is located. So you can see there'll be a little bit of a marker, and they have their own shapes also that tell you, okay, you're moving the indent point to this point, and it'll be a little L shape bar that shows up. Here is a table of indents and the types of things that you can do and how to create them. Left indent, you have a left edge of the paragraph is moved to the left margin. Right indent, same thing. The right edge of the paragraph is moved in from the right margin. First line indent, the first line of the paragraph is indented more than the subsequent lines. And then you have hanging indents. The subsequent lines of the paragraph are indented more than the first line. Navigate, which is the indent or the outdent. The left edge of the paragraph is moved to the left of the left margin. And in the section that's to create, they actually walk you through how to do that. I'm not going to read that at this time. Of course, for any of the information that I'm passing to you from this slideshow, you're more than welcome to open up the slideshow in Blackboard and take a read through yourself. This also will allow you to select any videos that come up. All right, so a style is a set of format settings that are named and stored together. Style sets are groups of related styles designed to be used together in a document. So you give documents a cohesive look. Set includes styles for title, subtitles, headings, bodies, lists, quotes, and other elements. Formatting with quick styles, apply multiple format settings in one step with the style. Use the styles to give your document a more cohesive look. A style is a set of format settings that are named and stored together. Styles can include characters and paragraph format styles. Apply quick styles by selecting a style from the quick styles gallery. What you see here is a quick styles gallery, and it's giving you different formats and letter shapes just to make it so that your document stands out. Automatically number the pages of a document by inserting a page number field. Click the page number button in the header footer group on the insert tab to insert a page number field. Select a location such as the bottom of the page and select pre-formatted page numbers and alignment. Moving around in a long document, rather than scrolling to move to a different place in a long document, you can use the navigation pane to move the insertion point to the top of a specific page. To open the navigation pane, click the Find button in the editing group on the Home tab, then click Pages to display a thumbnail of each page. As you type, an automatic soft page break is automatically inserted when you reach the bottom of the page. Text flows to the next page. You can force text into the next page by inserting a manual hard page break. Use the break button in the page setup group on the page layout tab to insert a page break, or press Control Enter. Insert column breaks. That's a good one to remember also. Insert column breaks to force text to the top of the next column. Add headers and footers to a document when there is an item that you want to appear on every page. A header is text or graphics that appears at the bottom of every page of a document. Footer at the top of every page of every document. A footer is a text or graphics that appears at the bottom of every page of a document. Headers and footers often contain information such as document titles, author name, dates, page numbers, that sort of thing. Open the header and footer areas by clicking the header button on the footer button on the Insert tab, double-clicking an existing header or footer, and choosing from several built-in header and footer designs. Document text is dimmed when the header and footer areas are open. So you know that you're in a header or footer. All you have to do to get out of it is click on something outside of it. Click different header and footers for the first page of a document or section, for each section in a document, for even and odd numbered pages in the document or selection. Use the header and footer tools design tab to edit headers and footers. So if you don't, the first page of your document should not hold, the title page should not hold a page number. So you can cut that portion out and say, I don't want this to have a page. Or maybe you only want to show the even numbered pages. Or maybe you only want to show the odd number pages. You can do all of that from your headers and footers. That brings us to the end of the slideshow. I want to thank you for your time. When we come back in, we're going to talk about chapter 9, rather module 9, and that's going to be Excel. Thank you for your time.